If you've ever received a call from an unknown number on your iPhone and wondered who it is, here are a few simple ways you can check before answering. First, go to your phone app and then tap on the recent tabs, look for the unknown number, then tap the information icon beside it. From here, you can copy the numbers and search it online. In many cases, you'll find out if it's a business, spam call, or someone you might know. Another helpful method is using third party caller ID apps. Apps like Truecaller can identify incoming calls even if the number isn't saved in your contacts. Once installed and set up, it can automatically show names or tags for unknown callers. You can also try saving the number temporarily to your contacts. After saving it, you can check some apps that can check if a profile appears. Sometimes you'll be able to see a name or even a photo connected to that phone number. If you're getting too many unknown calls, there's also a setting that you can turn on. Just go to Settings, tap Phone, and enable Silence Unknown Callers. This will automatically mute calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts. And that's it. These are the easy ways to figure out who's calling you without picking up the phone.